Andy, good to talk to you. We were just taking a look at a clip of Munster's organised defence from last week. How do you feel you're going to break them down tonight?
Yeah, they've got a great defensive line there, mate. So we're if we see a wall of 14 in front of us, we'll probably be looking to put the ball in behind them and get on the front foot for them. But yeah, we've got to be smart in that area. Yeah, we're trying to run into that red wall, and they're leaving only one at the backfield. So we'll be smart and turn them around, hopefully.
Having said that, Andy, you've shown some great form and scored some great tries even last week as well. What are you putting that good form down to?
Oh, mate, I think we've got first and foremost, our attack coach, Nigel Carolyn's got a really simple system there for the fellas. The boys are buying into it. They understand what it is they're trying to do, good clarity around that. And, yeah, we got some classy players too. I think our 9 and 10, Jack Carty, Coney and Blade, they're playing great footy at the moment and setting up a good platform for us.
Very good. And finally, just with a result that was earlier this evening, Glasgow losing out, is that something you might mention to the players beforehand? There's a more of a carrot there for the players to move up the table and get closer to Glasgow?
No, we haven't mentioned it at all, mate. Tonight's all about us, and we've had a real focus this year on just focusing on our job, getting our job done. Tonight will be no different.
Listen, thanks so much for talking. It was always a pleasure. Cheers.
Good on you, Marcus. Thank you.